Hi, I'm Divya Sharma, also known as Dr. Bowl, and welcome to Small Budget, Big Flavours, where I'll be showing you how to combine great food and fine dining, but in a cost-effective way. And today I'll be showing you how to make a delicious vegetarian curry, and I guarantee you won't miss any meat. So I'll be making a roasted aubergine curry. I love this recipe as it's easy and it only takes 15 minutes to prepare. If you're wanting to introduce more vegetarian dishes into your lifestyle, then this is the recipe for you. So let's get cooking. So now we're ready to slice our aubergines. So I'm going to slice it lengthwise first, and then into squares. And if you're going to be using a bigger aubergine, then you could just cut it up into discs. Right, so now I'm just going to transfer the chopped aubergine into a baking dish and try and make sure that they're spread fairly evenly. And then once they're all in, we just need to drizzle with some olive oil and then season with some salt. And some pepper. And then we can pop these into the oven at 200 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're soft and cooked through. So now our aubergines are in the oven, we've got all our ingredients to make our sauce. So the first step is to just drizzle some oil in a heated pan. And then we're going to place one chopped onion in the pan. Give them a good stir, break up the onions. It's going to take about 6 minutes for the onions to get nice and soft and caramelized. So we can stir them and then just wait until they're nice and golden. So now our onions are nice and caramelized and golden, we are ready to add in our spices and some crushed garlic. And then give that a really good mix. And keep mixing until you get those really fragrant aromas. So that should take about a minute or two. And just keep stirring because we don't want to burn the onions or the spices. So once we can smell those delicious flavors, this part is done. So now the aubergines are ready and we can just pour them directly into our onion mixture, along with our tomatoes and our coconut milk. And then we have to give this a really good stir. Keep mixing until it's all really well combined, and then we just let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes with the lid on. And then in the last 5 minutes, you can take the lid off so we can get that sauce really thickened up. So look how delicious this roasted aubergine curry looks. It tastes like a dream and it's packed full of flavour. You could serve yours with some chapatis or even some rice, or just eat it straight from the bowl, like me. Amazing.